Hello YouTube. In this video we are continuing our other video that we stopped. We are removing the glove box, and we are going to show you how to remove everything completely. So we have screws here, have one there and another one here. And our process here, we're going to work on our interior, as you can see on the dashboard. We're going to design it. So we are showing you the process on how to remove the glove box. And this is a Harrier model 2007. And this is how you remove it. We have a connector here. You have to disconnect it on the side. It had two screws on top. So you have to remove that. And then you keep it in a safe place so that you don't forget where things go. So I'll put it in the back slowly. So I'm going to stop from here. This was just a quick video on how to remove the glove box of our Harrier. So thanks for watching. If this video is helpful, please subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to click the bell icon in order to get notified whenever I upload this video like this. So on this channel, we shall show you all the cars that we work on. So thanks for watching. Have a nice time. Goodbye.